Hey, Jim from Delta Mountain Custom Models. I got an Athearn Genesis SD45-2, Reading in Northern number 3601. Added all LED lighting, working front and rear ditch lights, and did the weathering on this guy. And added wipers as well. So why don't we take a look at the lighting? That's what lighting's supposed to look like. There we go. Okay. I never get over their 645 sound. And as always, you can see all the door handles, louvers, grills, all pre-painted before the weathering's done. Now in reverse, those ditch lights don't flash. They just go on with the headlights because there's not enough lighting tabs. But still. And again, the LED lighting, just a huge improvement. And again, if you just look at that, you can see how all those door handles just come out when you pre-paint them. And one last time. That's it. You get the picture. Okay, this one is going up on eBay. Look for it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.